everyone, welcome once again to my channel, and I want to continue from where I stopped from the other video. I did a shoulder dart princess pattern. I did the front side of it, and now I'm going to be doing the back side of it. So stay tuned to the end of this video. If this video is useful to you, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be posting more and more lots of videos to you guys. Okay, to get started, first of all, you have your tools. You have your ruler, your scissors, your French curve, your eraser, your pencil, and your tape. Okay, let's get started now. As you can see, I've already drawn my lines. I did my zip allowance. I used 1 inch. You can use 1.5 inch, or you can use 2, depends on what you want. I've drafted my neckline, which is the shoulder line. Then this is my bust line, my under bust line, although you may not need this, or to just serve as a guide to you. And this is my waistline. So I'm going to be stopping this pattern at my waistline. And then if you watch my other video, I said how you can get this armhole is when you measure the armhole round, you divide by 2. I measured an armhole and it was 18 divided by 2 gives me 9. So I took my tape, measured 9 from here to this distance, and this is how I got my armhole measurements, the line. Okay, so now we are starting. From the other video, the neck I used 4, so I'm going to be measuring 4 for the neckline, and this is it. From here to here is 4. For the depth, I'm going to use 2 because this is my back measurement. So 2. So I'll use my French curve 2, like this. So this is it. From here, I'm going to take 1.5 inch down, 1 inch down, pardon me, and then I'll roll. Okay, after rolling your shoulder line, this is your neckline, this is the shoulder line, you're going to take your tape rule and measure here to mark the half of it. This is 3.5. So 3.5 divided by 2 gives you 1.75. So we'll come here, after marking here, we'll come here to mark our that measurement, which is the span. From the other video, previous video, that measurement is 7. So 7 divided by 2, because this is unfold. So 7 divided by 2 will give you 3.5. Come to your waistline here, and then you take 3.5. And then come to this other line, from the bust line, take 3.5. From this line, I'm skipping this zip line, but if you're to measure from the end of this, it's going to be 4.5 instead of 3.5. Okay, so I'm not measuring from the end, I'm measuring from this zip line here that I made, so that's why it's 3.5. So now I'll take my ruler. I'm going to rule up to this from here. So yeah, okay, after I rolled it this way, I'm going to take 1 inch upward and then connect to this point, which is the half shoulder point. Okay, then I'm going to take half from both sides from the waist. So this is it, half on both sides. I'm going to roll it up to where the first line ends. Yeah. Okay, so after that I'm going to be measuring, I'm going to be covering my armhole, but to get my armhole I'm going to get my bust measurement. My bust measurement was 38. Yes, 38 divided by 2 and by 4 give you 7.5. So I'm going to take 7.5. It gives you 9.5. Sorry for my wrong calculations. Okay, 9.5. Yeah, don't forget, for my other video I did 2-inch seam allowance, so I'm going to use my French curve. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so I'm going to use my French curve to get my armhole. Okay. After that, I'm going to, my waist measurement is 33.5. 33.5 divided by 4 gives me, okay, so I'm going to use the calculator to get it. At 3.5 divided by 4 is equals to 8.375. 8.375. So it's not 8.5, just a little bit after 8. So don't forget your 1 inch here, so you're going to add it here, your 1 inch, that, and then your two seam allowance. So I'm going to draw a straight line from down upward. This is my allowance, and here you go. This is how you draft your back pattern for your shoulder, that pattern. Now it's time for me to cut it. Voila, so this is it after you've cut it. So don't forget, you're going to add half an inch here when you place it on your fabric, and half an inch here when you place it on your fabric, and also you're going to add for here and for the shoulder if you wish to. So this is it, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Have a nice day ahead. Stay tuned. Bye.